I'm going to be building 5 AI smart websites using GoHighLevel's AI Studio. If you want to use this feature yourself, go ahead and click the second link in the description down below to get access to my 30-day extended free trial link. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Let's go ahead and find a business. Let's open up a new tab. Let's type in landscaper near me. Let's look for someone that needs help. Let's see, low reviews, prices. Yeah, let's go with this one. Let's see. Yeah, this can definitely be improved. It looks like just a one pager, no SEO on it. So let's go ahead and copy this. Actually, we don't need to copy that yet. Let's actually take the prompt that I already have, which by the way, feel free to use this same prompt. Super easy, very quick to explain. And then you go ahead and just copy this. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go ahead and drop it in. Let's go ahead and let it get started cooking on that. Now let's go ahead and find another one. Let's go to, let's plumber near me. Okay, let's find another one. Gotta move fast. I always like to look for people with low Google reviews and someone that could be potentially missing a website icon. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely horrendous. So let's go ahead and take this one. Let's copy it. Let's drop it in here. And then let's go ahead and take that prompt again, add it in front of it. Where's my mouse? Here it is. Boom, boom, boom. Enter. Now let's go ahead and cooking that one up. Next, let's do tree service near me. Let's look for someone with low reviews, someone that would need help with their website. I see that one doesn't even have one, but I doubt that they have that many reviews. Let's keep taking a look. Let's take a look at this website. Yep, absolutely horrendous. Wow, we're on a hot streak right now. This is crazy. We're finding terrible websites. Let's go ahead and paste it in. Let's go ahead and get the prompt again. And boom, boom, boom. Perfect. That one's getting started. And then let's do here and let's do spa. What time are we at? Doing good on time. We're doing really good on time. Spa near me. Take a look. A lot of the spas are actually very nice around me. It's probably going to be hard to find someone that has a really bad one. Let's see. Oh, again, we are finding them left and right. Holy. Okay, that one's cooking that one up. Let's go ahead and drop this one in and let's get this prompt, throw it ahead of it. Bang. Perfect. And then let's do another one. Let me think. Let's see. Let's do, think. What's another good industry? I'm trying to think of something a little bit outside of the box. Let's just do concrete. Do that. Concrete installer near me. Okay, perfect. Let's see who we can find. Low Google reviews. Let's see this one right here. Wow, this isn't even funny. We literally found them all first try. I swear these are all random, but hey, that should speak volumes to you because now you know that people with low Google reviews more than likely have a bad website. So let's go ahead and drop it in. Bang, bang. And then let's start back from the top. Let's see what they're at. Okay, that one's doing good. This one's doing good. This one's doing good. Let's see. What design style would you like for the salon? Let's do luxurious and elegant and proceed. Let it go ahead and start getting that up. And that one's doing well as well. Perfect. So what time are we at? I started recording this about 4 minutes ago around there. So yeah, we're doing good on time. Perfect. To be honest, I'm not even trying to cut this video. I just want to leave it raw and authentic to see what it comes up with. And then we also have all the original websites to compare as well. So we'll see what the final result is and we'll see how good AI Studio is. Now, look, I've been doing this for about 3 years now. And let me tell you, this feature is absolutely game changing. I remember whenever I first got started, I had to hire a VA or I actually built my first few myself. But after that, I had to get a VA and they would have to fulfill it. It would take about 5 days, sometimes even longer. 5 days was on the fast end. But now with this AI Studio tool, it is absolutely a game changer because now you can build sample websites. You can build full websites with SEO, with service area pages, service pages. Not only that, you can do custom CSS widgets with I actually covered that in my past video. So it's just absolutely insane to see this in person, to actually be able to have access to this tool. And right now, currently, if I'm not mistaken, it is free. If you have a HighLevel account, you get unlimited tokens. Obviously, GoHighLevel is going to start charging for that sooner or later down the line. I'm not sure when that is, but right now it's completely free. So I definitely recommend taking advantage of it. I actually built a full-on website using AI Studio. It was actually very easy. What I like about AI Studio is that you don't need to be a professional coder. You don't need to be a professional website developer. You just need to know basic English and you can pretty much get the job done. And that was something that was not able to be done before because like I said, you would have to hire a VA. Fulfillment would take longer. Now, if you just want websites added to the gallery page, all you do is just drop them in right here. And then you can go ahead and get those photos added to the gallery. And so I'm just thinking like in future cases about how cheap websites are going to be able to get done because I used to pay $100, sometimes even a little bit more for that for like 30-page websites. But now I can get this done very quickly with AI as long as you have the right prompts and you have the right information that you're feeding it. So all this has been a huge eye-opener experience. All of it has been absolutely amazing to see. And you know, here's something about AI that I find absolutely crazy is that with AI, it never progresses backwards. It only gets better. So I forgot who said that, but I heard it somewhere online and it is absolutely so true. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's make sure all these are still loading. Seems like some of them are taking longer than others. Look at this. It built the spa one already. Did it finish this one? No, not yet. So let's go over the spa one first. Let's go ahead and open it in a new tab. Look at this. Absolutely absolutely beautiful compared to what they had. Where's theirs right now? But compared to this, if you're a lady and you're looking to get your nails done, you're looking to get toes, whatever you're getting done at a salon, and you see this, women care a lot about this. They care about the small details. They care about which one is going to look the best. So if you take a look at this, this is a night and day difference, and you saw how long this literally took to get done. You can see it has all the different services listed out, has service areas of people that, within a reasonable driving distance would come to their salon, book a tour, view services, book now, a direct booking calendar that you can set up literally just like that. I can guarantee you back in the day, about 3 years ago, this would have taken at least 8 days to build out, but now it is getting done faster than ever. Let's go ahead and see if any of the other ones are done, getting cooked up. No, they're not, but it's okay. And not only just that, you can also add their Google reviews on their website as well. That's another small detail that can be added, especially with nail salons. Like I said, women care about the small details. They care about how many reviews, especially in the beauty space. So this helps this nail salon a ton. I can guarantee you, if you take a look at this website and you take a look at this one, you walk up to a woman on the street, which business are you more likely going to go with? They would most definitely 100% of the time say this one right here, unless they just don't care, which, hey, you never know. But go ahead and take a look at the other ones. It seems like they're still loading. They're almost done. Oh, this one just got done right here. Round Rock Plumber. Let's go ahead and expand. Oh, push the wrong button there. Let's bring it back here. Oh yeah, you can also see the mobile view on how it's going to look on an iPad or mobile or desktop, whatever you'd like to do, which is very nice. But let's go ahead and open this in a new tab and let's take a look. So Round Rock Plumber, absolutely beautiful. Look at the optimization on that. Round Rock, Texas, 78681. Got all that done. Plumbing services, service areas done. Absolutely beautiful. Got nice pictures going on right here. Tells all the services versus this website right here. Like, look at this. What even is that? This is the most, I don't even know. It looks like more of a meme picture to me. And so if we keep looking down, like, where's the content? It's not even organized. Look at this. It's half of it's over here, half of it's over there. Phone number listed with some random picture behind it. This is absolute. It's just sad to see businesses that have this, because you could easily give them a call. You could provide the world to them, but a lot of them just don't understand the purpose of having a good online presence and how good a good looking website can convert for them versus this. If you're a homeowner and you're in a position where you're looking for plumbing work to get done, are you going to go with this business? More than likely not. With this website, yes, but with this one, more than likely not. So let's go ahead and take a look at another one. Price Lawn Care. Let's go ahead and expand it. Let's see how beautiful this website looks. Absolutely stunning. Services, drop down, perfect. Boom, right there. Service areas, done. Beautiful. Lakeway, Westlake Hills, Austin, Round Rock, Pflugerville, Cedar Park. These are all towns that are nearby me, and AI was able to tell that just off of me telling it to build service area pages. Beautiful images. Looks like high-end work. Again, if we're comparing it to this versus this, let's pretend you're a homeowner and you're looking to get work done on your home. A patio being built, some sod being laid, some turf being laid, all these high-ticket jobs, and you see this versus this. Again, which company are you more than likely going to go with? It's really a no-brainer at the end of the day. Sorry, I misspoke there, but let's go ahead and open this one up. Tree care business. Let's go ahead and see their current one that they have. Absolutely terrible. Just looks disorganized. Just looks thrown together. If I had to guess, probably the owner put it together. The reason why I assume that is because, look, they're a tree care business owner, not a marketer. So they don't know what they're doing. We need to go in there and save the day and provide them something like this. Beautiful, deep colorized images. Service pages done. Service area pages done. A testimonials page. This is absolutely beautiful, and look at how quick we got this done. This maybe took 3 minutes to build, something along those lines, 2 minutes, with all of them going at the same time. This is absolutely insane. And also, just to think about that, we had all these websites going at one single time. A VA is only one person versus this, we had 5 websites being done simultaneously. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Concrete business. Let's see. Beautiful. Again, driveway repairs, the services done, all these services, locations, all that. Now look, I'm pretty sure all that information is pretty accurate. Didn't really get to check too much on the current business. Like I said, we're going for speed here to show the absolute capability that AI Studio has. Absolutely beautiful compared to this. This website's not that bad. This is one of the better ones that we pulled, but literally night and day difference on the comparisons and how good these websites can look. On this current one, I didn't even see any. Okay, yeah, so they did have it set up like this. That's why I did that. So this website's actually not bad. This is one of the better ones we pulled, but with some simple tweaking, you can even add a custom CSS tool to show an estimate on how much it is to repair driveway cracks, AI quoting tools, which I'll go ahead and make a video on that as well. But you guys, the viewer, get the point here. You can build websites now faster than ever. So don't take this for granted. Hop on it as soon as possible. Train your VAs on it, train yourself on it so you're more knowledgeable in this space so you can use it to the best of your advantage. So like I said, 5 websites in under 10 minutes of it actually getting built. Go ahead and click this video right here to see my past video, and also make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.